Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about do-while loop in C++. A do-while loop is very similar to a while loop, except that the condition is checked at the end of each cycle, not at start. The loop is therefore guaranteed to execute at least once, because we are not checking the condition at the start of the loop. Let's write a code which will print 0 as the condition will evaluate to false at the end of the first iteration. I will have a variable x which is set to 0, and then do while, and with inside the do I'm going to print the value of our variable x, which is 0, and then going to increment x, increment our counter, and then in the do while condition I'm going to check if x is less than 0, x less than 0, and then I'm going to print out new line, end of line. In this program we have a variable x whose value is set to 0, but when the do while loop starts, it don't check condition from the start, it check at the end. So we get this x value printed over here, and then also incremented, and then when we see that is greater than 0, it get out of the loop, but at least it go through one iteration. Let's run our program, and also don't forget the semicolon at the end of this while condition. It is required, and just run. You can see it printed the value of x which was set to 0. So this way you can use a do while loop in a C++. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.